Rising prominent entertainer and cousin taken out in ambush in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk, and we're here to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk. Once again, the local music fraternity is plunging into mourning following the tragic passing of an upcoming entertainer and his cousin. The entertainer has been identified as 24-year-old Damian Coleman, otherwise called SK Alga, of Paradise Norwood in St. James, and also shot and killed is his 28-year-old cousin, Odell Sato. According to reports, the two, along with two other persons, were coming from Ocherias, where the DJ went to do a music video for his latest song entitled Your Girl. It is stated that on their return home along the Rose Hall Main Road in the vicinity of the Blue Diamond Plaza, they were attacked. The gunmen traveling in a car blocked their pathway. The man who blocked the pathway of the vehicle carrying the entertainer, his cousin, and two others opened fire and fled the scene. The four were taken to the Conroe Regional Hospital, where two of the individuals did not survive and the other two admitted. The police are carrying out an investigation in order to ascertain what is behind this latest homicide in the Montego Bay area. However, we'll continue to follow this story and keep you up to date with the latest to come on this. This has been Links007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for this one. Peace out and bless.